Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quick select in BricsCAD. So let's get straight into it. Now I will show you the quickest way. So right here in the enter command, just type in Q select and press enter. Right here on the right side, you will now see basically the entire drawing, or click you will see here this handle, color, layer, line type scale, and so on. So like that. So if I click here this one, I can select all, select equals, not equal, and so on. So I can now manipulate with these settings right over here. Hyperlinks also lightweight. So line type I have by block and so on. Linear scale, I can type in here some equation, transparency, history, and so on. Yeah, this is basically the quickest option how we can do that. You can also use Ctrl+1. So if you type in Ctrl+1, it will open up right here more this preview when hovering list values. So right here we have color layers and so on. So here you can manipulate these values. So this is how you can quick select in BricsCAD. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.